Welcome to class number 33, Electrodynamics for S3 BSc Physics main students. Today's topic is magnetostatics problems. Some of the important problems are discussed here. Electrodynamics problems. The first problem is the field produced by a straight conductor. A horizontal overhead power line carries a current of 90 ampere in an east to west direction. What is the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to the current 1.5 meter below the line? ഒരു പവർ ലൈൻ ഉണ്ട്, അത് ഈസ്റ്റ് വെസ്റ്റ് ഡയറക്ഷനിൽ കറണ്ട് പാസ് ചെയ്യുക. 90 ആംപിയറാണ് കറണ്ട്. അതിന് തൊട്ട് താഴെ 1.5 മീറ്റർ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള പോയിന്റിൽ, താഴെയുള്ള പോയിന്റിൽ ഫീൽഡ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഫീൽഡ് കാണാൻ ബി ഈസ് ഇക്വൽ μ0I/2πr എന്നുള്ള ഇക്വേഷൻ മതിയാകും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇങ്ങനെയും പറയാം. The equation can be also written as B is μ0/4π2I/r. 2 and 2 will cancel, we get μ0I/2πr. μ0/4π is 10⁻⁷ into 2 into 90 by 1.5. The answer is 1.2 into 10⁻⁻⁵ Tesla. And the field below the line east to south, and this can be explained using the right hand grip rule. If we hold the wire conductor using our right hand such that the thumb is pointing current direction east to west direction, then the wound fingers below represents the magnetic field. The tangent to the wound fingers below the line is towards south. That is why we say the field is towards south direction. Next problem. A toroid has a core of inner radius 25 cm and outer radius 26 cm, around which 3500 turns of a wire are wound. If the current in the wire is 11 ampere, what is the magnetic field inside the core of the toroid? ഒരു ടൊറോയിഡ് ഫീൽഡ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ് നമുക്കറിയാം B is equal to μ0Ni എന്നുള്ള ഇക്വേഷൻ. ആ ഇക്വേഷൻ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. You look here, B is equal to μ0Ni, where N is the number of turns per meter, and small n we can write as capital N by 2πr. 2πr is the circumference of the toroid, therefore length is 2πr small n is equal to total turns by total length, capital N by 2πr, that is small n, into I. Put the values. And here radius is actually over the radius. We have to take over the radius. Inner radius 25 cm, outer radius 26 cm. The average is 25.5. We can correct it as 26. So we get B is equal to μ0/4π into 10⁻⁷ into 3500 total turns into I current 11 ampere by 2π into radius 26 or 25.5. You put, there is no change in the answer, into 10⁻². The answer is 3 into 10⁻⁻² Tesla, and this is the field produced with the toroidal solenoid. Now we discuss a short answer question. We have so far studied electric field and magnetic field. There is a comparison between the two. Comparison between electric field and magnetic field. You carefully note how to read the notes. You have to be familiar with the handwriting. Comparison between electric field and magnetic field. You read it. One, electric field. In the first column we write electric field. In the second column we write a magnetic field. The first point is electric field is produced by stationary or moving charge. Magnetic field is produced by moving charge. അപ്പോൾ ഒന്നാമത്തെ പോയിന്റ് അതാണ്. ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് ഒരു സ്റ്റേഷനറി ചാർജിന് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മൂവിങ് ചാർജിന് നിർമ്മിക്കാൻ പറ്റും, ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് എപ്പോഴും മൂവിങ് ചാർജാണ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. നേരെ പറഞ്ഞ് ഇലക്ട്രോമാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ആക്സിലേറ്റിംഗ് ചാർജ് ആയിരിക്കണം. ആക്സിലേറ്റിംഗ് ചാർജ്, സ്പീഡ് കൂടുതൽ ചാർജ് ആയിരിക്കണം. കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ്ലി സ്പീഡിൽ പോകുന്ന ചാർജ് ആണെങ്കിൽ മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്, ഒപ്പം ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ്. സോ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് ഈസ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ബൈ ടെർഷറി ചാർജ് or moving charge. Magnetic field is produced by moving charge. Number 2, electrical force are large. Electrical force വളരെ കൂടുതലാണ്. Magnetic force is small. Number 3, originates. The electric field originates from the positive charge and end at the negative charge. നമുക്കറിയാം ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ ഫീൽഡ് ലൈൻസ് അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേഷനാണ്. ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ ഫീൽഡ് ലൈൻസ് അത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ചാർജിൽ നിന്ന് നെഗറ്റീവ് ചാർജിൽ അവസാനിക്കും. ബട്ട് ഫോർ മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ്, മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ലൈൻസ് ഡി നോട്ട് ബിഗിൻ ഓർ എൻഡ് എനിവെയർ. മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് ലൈൻസിന് ബിഗിനിങ്ങും എൻഡും ഇല്ല, കാരണം അത് ക്ലോസ്ഡ് പാത്തുകളാണ്. ഈ മാഗ്നറ്റിൻ്റെ മോണോപോൾ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല നമ്മൾ പറയും. അപ്പം അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവയ്ക്ക് മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് ലൈൻസിന് സോഴ്സുമില്ല, സിങ്കുമില്ല. സോ വി സേ മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് ലൈൻസ് ഡു നോട്ട് ബിഗിൻ ഓർ എൻഡ് എനിവെയർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ്, the fourth point, for electric field del dot E equal to rho by epsilon 0. This is Maxwell's first field equation. And for magnetic field del dot B is equal to 0. That is Maxwell's second equation, or the differential form of Gauss law in magnetism. The first one is the differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics. Fifth point, del cross E is equal to 0. Curl of electric field is 0. But in magnetism, curl of magnetic field del cross B is equal to mu 0 J. J is the current density. Number 6, line integral E dot dl is 0 for a closed path. Closed path ഈ E dot dl പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ എന്ന് പറയും. E dot dl is 0. But for magnetic field, line integral B dot dl is mu 0 I, and that is ambient circuit law. These are the important points distinguishing electric field and magnetic field. Compare between electric field and magnetic field. These are the important points. There are identical equations in the two cases. And this is another university problem. Prove that del square A is equal to minus mu 0 J. The question is, prove that del square A is minus mu 0 J. You know mu 0 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. J is the current density. And capital A is the vector potential, magnetic. Del square is the Laplacian operator. So we have to prove del square A equal to minus mu 0 J. We know del cross B is equal to mu 0 J. Mu 0 J, curl form of ambient circuit law. Ambient circuit law നമ്മൾ കേൾ ഫോമിൽ എഴുതിയാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കിട്ടും, del cross B is equal to mu 0 J. കേൾ form of ambient circuit law that we study in electromagnetic waves. Put the value of B in this equation. You know B is del cross A. In terms of vector potential, the magnetic flux density is given by B equal to del cross A. That value you put in that equation. So we can write del cross A equal to mu 0 J, equation number 1. And there is a vector identity. We apply vector identity in the form A cross B cross C. This you have studied in your complementary mathematics. A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. That's the formula. That you apply here. So in the place of A vector, you have to take a del. In the place of B vector also, we have to take a del. And in the place of C vector, we have to take A. So del cross A is equal to del dot A into del minus del dot del A. And in this expression, del dot del is del square. And del dot A is 0. The divergence of vector potential is 0. The divergence of vector potential is 0. So in the above equation, the first term in the RHS is 0. First term in the RHS is 0. So we get the second term that we put. So del cross A is equal to mu 0. Del cross A equal to minus del square A. Del dot A is written in the side, in the margin. Del dot A, that is equal to dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou ay plus dou by dou z of az. Del dot A may have any value. ഏത് വാല്യൂ ആകാം. So we take del dot A as 0. It can be proved like that. അതായത് ഈ എയുടെ നമ്മൾ ഡിഫറൻഷ്യേറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ del dot എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് 0 ആകുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് എയുടെ കമ്പോണൻറ്റ് വരുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് അത് 0 ആയിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കാം. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെ 0 കൊടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് മൈനസ് del square A എന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഇക്വേറ്റിംഗ് 1 and 2. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഈ del cross A മൈനസ് del square A ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 1 and 2 1 നോക്കുക, ഒന്നുകൂടി നമുക്ക് റിവേഴ്സ് പോയി നോക്കാം. 1 നോക്കുക, ഇക്വേഷൻ 1. ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 del cross A is equal to mu 0 j. del cross A ആണ് നമ്മൾ മൈനസ് del square A ആയിട്ട് തെളിയിച്ചത്. അതിവിടെ അങ്ങ് കൊടുക്കുക. ഇക്വേറ്റിംഗ് 1 and 2 minus del square A is equal to mu 0 j. Minus is taken to RHS. That is del square A is equal to minus mu 0 j. This is same as the Poisson equation in electrostatics. You know the Poisson equation? Del square phi is equal to minus 1 by epsilon 0 rho, that you have studied. Poisson equation. Laplace equation, Poisson equation. This is similar to the Poisson equation. Del square A is equal to minus mu 0 j is the equation. There is a similar equation in electrostatics. We have studied the Poisson equation and Laplace equation. This is similar to the Poisson equation. You refer back. That equation is not completely given here. You can refer. So this is the same as the Poisson equation. Del square phi is equal to I think there is minus rho by epsilon 0. You just look epsilon 0 satisfying the solution in the solution in the form. And when we solve that differential equation, del square A is minus mu 0 j, we get A is equal to the vector potential in integral form as mu 0 by 4 pi integral over tau j by r d2. You get in that manner. I shall refer the Poisson equation for your convenience. Yes, Poisson equation is del square phi is minus rho by epsilon 0. You remember, del square phi is minus rho by epsilon 0. And if rho is 0, we get del square phi equal to 0. That is Laplace equation. The del square A equation, del square A is equal to minus mu 0 j is an equation in magnetostatics, and that relation is similar to the Poisson equation in electrostatics. The Poisson equation in electrostatics is del square phi is equal to minus rho by epsilon 0. And if you solve the above differential equation, del square A is minus mu 0 j, we get A as mu 0 by 4 pi integral over tau volume integral j by r d2. And this is the expression for magnetic vector potential in integral form. And here comes another problem. Given that vector potential capital I is equal to 5 into x square plus y square plus z square I, evaluate the magnetic field. That is the magnetic flux density. Answer. Given A is equal to 5 into x square plus y square plus z square I. Only I component, the first component. I term only, j term 0, k term 0. Find A, find magnetic flux density. Find B. The vector potential is given. We have to find magnetic flux density, magnetic field. So the relation, A is given and B is equal to del cross A. Del cross is a determinant. Determinant ijk, determinant ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, then component of A. A has only the first component, 5x square plus y square plus z square. Y component and z components are 0. Therefore 0, 0. Del cross I is equal to determinant ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then first term 5 into x square plus y square plus z square. Then 0 and 0. That we expand. We get B is equal to I term becomes 0. I into 0 minus j into dou square by dou z, no square, dou by dou z, 5 into x square plus y square plus z square. Then one more term minus k into dou by dou z into 5 into s square plus y square plus z square. And that we get, this is a partial differentiation. So we get j into 10z, 5z square derivative, 10z minus k into 10y. 10 can be taken outside. Therefore b is equal to 10 into jz minus, 10 can be taken outside, 10 to jz minus ky. That is the magnetic field, the flux density. Then here is a summary. Summary only for your knowledge. It is not an examination question, only for your knowledge. What are these relations we studied in magnetostatics so far? The symbols B, it is magnetic induction or magnetic flux density. A, vector potential, magnetic vector potential, J, current density. In the first case, a set of equations, relation connecting A and G. A and G. Number 1, A is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi integral J by R d2. That is the integral form of vector potential. You remember, this is the integral form of vector potential. And other relation between A and J is del square A is equal to minus mu 0 J. This we have done as a problem. Then comes relation between A and B. A is a vector potential and B is the magnetic flux density. First relation is B is equal to del cross A. The second relation is del dot A is 0. Now comes the relation between B and J, magnetic flux density and current density. The first relation is B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi integral J by R square into d2. This is B. This is B, you remember. That we calculate from vector potential. Vector potential expression we have written in the previous slide. J by R d2, first equation, A is equal to mu 0 per pi J whole integral J by R d2. When we differentiate, and R square will come in the denominator. Instead of R, we get R square. Therefore, B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi integral J by R square R cap d2. This vector. Another formula relation connecting B and J is del cross B is equal to mu 0 J. And the last del dot B is equal to 0. So these are the important relations in this magnetostatics. With this, your 33, lecture number 33 is over. That is all. Thank you very much.